today's video guys, I'm going to be sharing with you few legitimate websites where you can make money daily, just by talking to people, and chatting with people online. Now, this particular one is about talking to lonely people, visiting with people about their everyday life, people that are depressed, people that are looking for friends online, people are looking for someone to talk to you and just chat with them. And you can make up to $100 daily just by doing that. This is a valuable opportunity for everyone, I guess. So, let's go to the video. Okay, our first website is called Testingfactorycom. Testingfactory.com, become a chat operator today. Your opportunity to work as a chat operator and earn an average of $300 is only minutes away. The application takes only a few minutes and they are always in need of chats operators and they are on their team. Now you can see here, apply now. If you want to apply, you tap on apply now. The job, you might be asking, okay, what is test chat operator? Or who is a test chat operator? This is what you're going to be doing as a test chat operator. You'll be answering casual message on a fantasy-based test network. You have to be able to talk to customers about all kinds of topic. You'll be assigned different roles, depending on what your customer wants. Some of their clients just wants to talk to someone about their life, small talk about things like work, culture, weather, relationship. Your identity will not be known by customer. You just chat with them. They don't know you, but you're just going to be chatting with this platform. Maybe it could be everyday lifestyle, relationship, weather or something like that. Your identity will not be known by their customer, because you'll be assumed to be the person the customer is testing to. So guys, depending on how much time and effort you put in, an average operator earns around $300 to $400 weekly. Okay, now, look here, anonymous chat only. Just be chatting with them. There is nothing like calling or video call. You know what? Work anytime, anywhere, as much as you want. No qualification or certificate needed. Support available 24/7 hours. Now fill the application. First, your name, your last name, your email address. Now, your motivation for applying for this job. Why do you want to apply for this job? I suggest to you, don't tell them that you want to apply, because you want to make money online. You have to write something that is going to impress them. That's for all about this website. The rest is up to you guys. Our second website is called Textkings.com. First of all, if you want to apply, you click here to apply. They said, our aim is to offer legitimate online job opportunity for you to earn from the comfort of your home. As a job agency, they collaborate and provide a varieties of work-at-home jobs. So now, this website is all about texting, chatting with people online. With different languages like Danish, Dutch, English, French, German, Italian and any language at all. Now, look carefully, this is where you can find a job. Here are the job vacancies. If you can text on people properly, this is how much they pay you per message. 0.1 euro per message. This one paid 0.2 euro per message. Same as goes to other languages. This is English, which I know that most people know how to speak English. Okay, now if you want to work as an English test operator, this is how much you can make with this. 0.08 euro to 0.15 euro per message. Worth it. Right. Currently it's closed, but it will be open again soon. So, if you want to apply, you tap on Apply Now button. And then you should fill this. So guys, this is all, and you have to do these things to earn money on this website. So let's move to the next website. Our third website is called chatrecruit.com. First of all, I want to say, this is an adult website. With the world's first service for adults and psychic chat hosts, and get a 10 bonus on your first payday to start earning. You tap on Start Earning for registration. Now, hear why you choose Chat Recruits. It's no experience needed at all. You only need good internet connection and a love of chatting. If you love chatting, then this platform is for you. No joining fee, register for free, and you could start making money the same day that you registered. You know what? You can earn on your own terms. Earn at home or on the go whenever suits you, and get a $10 bonus on your first payday. Over $30 million paid out to their chat host. See what they say about working with them. Let me just show you guys what their employees say. I've made over $100,000 every year for the past 4 years with Chat Recruit. It's great to make so much money doing something I love. This person is a phone chat host. This person said, I have so much fun performing for customers. It doesn't feel like work. Since I joined, I've been able to rely on a regular high income. She is a webcam model. So, these are the jobs that are available. Webcam jobs, phone chat line job, psychic chat jobs, babe channel jobs, fan page and blogs. Now let's check this one. Psychic chat jobs. Earn from phone and text readings with Chat Recruit, from tarot and angel card readers to clairvoyants and mediums. Join hundreds of psychics using their gift to make money from home. What they look for in psychic chat hosts. It doesn't matter what kind of psychic you are. Chat Recruit helps astrologers, clairvoyants, and all manner of fortune tellers earn on our psychic chat line and text app. All you need is confidence, some psychic ability, motivation. Working as a psychic chat line operator, you have to give some advice about love and relationship, help with careers, horoscope and birth chart, spiritual and life advice. If you can do these things, you're ready to earn money as a psychic chat host. So, if you want to register to this job, then click here. You know, these jobs, webcam jobs, phone chat line jobs, or whichever one that suits your personality, or whichever one that you are comfortable doing, just go through this platform and get some money on your hand. So guys, that's all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoy and get some value of this video. So, please make sure subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.